If you learn this language in past 6 months, maybe 10 months, but still you don't able to speak English fluently, you don't able to articulate your thought in English. So this video is literally for you. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you how to speak English in a fluent way. What is the best thing, what is the best advice in this video I will give you. So watch this video till the end and let's begin. Okay, let's suppose if you want to make a one particular food item, but you don't able to make this. So how you can make this? You can watch a one particular content how to make this food item and then you try to make this, but you don't able to make because you are a beginner and that's why you don't able. So in the second time what you can do, watch the next content again in the third content and try to watch, but you don't able to make because you don't try to practice how to make this. At the one particular time you don't able to make this because of you don't practice. Okay, when you do this thing again and again, at the same moment you fell sometimes underconfident, then try to make again and again, then one day you will definitely able to make this pizza, make this any kind of items in quickly. At the same moment in English, when you try to speak English, when you try to read, when you try to write something, at that moment you try to fill, and that's why we give up. You don't able to speak English in a fluent way. Okay, the same situation, what I'm trying to say here, actually you have to start speaking. Okay, because you are every single day at a 6 month past and you don't able to speak. Why? Because every single day you are watch content, you're watching content, you're reading every single day, you're writing something, but still you don't able to speak because of fear, because of awareness. Okay, lack of communication. Okay, and that's why you don't able to articulate your thoughts. That's the thing how I'm telling you. Actually you need to speak as much as possible, because a lot of English speaker they try to just watch a lot of contents, try to read as much as possible, but still they don't able to speak. So that's why I'm trying to say you here, just try to speak. Okay, I understand you don't able to speak with someone, so just try to initial day a lot of WhatsApp group you can search, you can find out and try to join there, because at that time you will definitely find out something that huge you can improve. Because if you're waiting for the moment when I will try to speak with someone, when I will try to interact with someone, when you are able, unless and until you will don't able to speak because of your lack of communication, your lack of confidence. So that's what I'm telling you here, you have to speak, you have to find out way. And one app I am definitely suggest you, recommended you, is literally helpful for us. So Hello Talk is the best application for the beginners. If you're beginners, if you're intermediate levels, so you can go there and download this application and speak as much as possible, at least 15 minutes with someone, interact with someone in the audio call and just speak. Okay, so speaking practice is more sufficient. When you try to speak as much as possible, then you will definitely able to be confident person and definitely able to find out the mistake which is you are doing. Okay, because mistake is a part of success. I'm not talking about stop doing mistake and try to jump on the hard thing, but try to make mistake, but simultaneously you have to do something exceptional for your English journey, because still you are doing this past 6 months, you are doing practice in English, but you don't able to communicate with someone. So how is it possible? Okay, so that's what I'm telling you, you have to practice as much as possible, because unfortunately people are really improving our English language and you are there. So that's why you want to improve English communication, so try to enthusiastic in this English language. You have to curious about, and as well awareness, you have awareness for this language as well. You have to grab the attitude for this language. I have to learn this language in next 6 months. Okay, so this is the thing. And the most thing is, when you try, to speak as much as possible, then you will definitely able to grab this command in this language, over this language. Okay, so practice toward there. How to become a fluent speaker English, sorry, how to become a fluent English speaker, as well how to articulate your thought in front of people. Find out a mistake and try to speak as much as possible. This is the best formula for English language. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next topic and next video. Thank you.